Are you ready to draw cute little Mohamed Salah together? Now let's draw with me. Hello little soccer fans. Welcome to Little Pencil Draw. Grab your pencil and let's draw 2 big circles for the eyes. Now, let's draw a curve inside each eye for the iris. Next, I draw the shiny highlights inside both eyes using small circles and star shapes. After that, I fill the rest of the eyes with black, leaving the highlights white. Here is a little curve for the nose. Now, let's draw a U-shaped line under his eyes, just like a little bowl. He always has a beard and mustache, so we'll draw him with a beard and mustache. We'll draw his mouth in the gap where the mustache connects to the beard. I'll add a line for his teeth and this curve for his tongue. Let's color the rest of the mouth black. Easy peasy. Add the hairline around his forehead. I sketch the hairline across the forehead and then draw the fluffy curly hairstyle. I create lots of soft, rounded bumps to give the hair a full and textured look. Next, I draw the ears on both sides of the head and add a few simple details inside them. Keep drawing lots of fluffy curls all the way around her face. Make it nice and big. Add a few extra curly lines inside the hair to give it lots of texture. Let's draw his thick eyebrows above his eyes. Next, I draw the short neck and begin sketching the Brazil jersey. I start with the collar. Then draw the shoulders and sleeves before finishing the body of the shirt. Perfect! Next, I draw the shorts, making sure they look slightly oversized. Draw his little hands on each side. Write the player's jersey number in the center of the shirt. His jersey number is 11. After that, I draw the legs, long socks, and football boots. Finally, I keep the shoes simple and rounded. Then add a few small details like the studs underneath. And done! He is so adorable, right? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.